Happy holidays, everyone. This is Matt with Storm Real Fan 96. This is going to be the Christmas special. During the Thanksgiving special, I did a video on a siren. I think it's appropriate now for the Christmas special. I do something with my fire alarm system. So we'll go ahead and do this. So I changed the coding on the panel to do something a little special. So that's all I'm going to say. The Commander 3s, the tones have been changed back to the horns and the chimes. I took the 2400 Hertz tone off because that was too annoying. Merry Christmas, everyone. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. So we'll go ahead and pull the Simplex 4099 dual action T-bar. Here we go. So if you have a guess, that's California code. Let's go upstairs. Alright, let's hear these up here. So these two alarms don't sync because that one out there is older than that one. I don't know if you can notice the strobes are out of sync, but the ones in the basement are in sync because they're all relatively new. Alright, let's go ahead, go back inside. Alright. And there's no audible silence, just because I don't have that programmed. Since I have the alarm set for California code, I don't have it set for Gentex sync at all, so yeah. So yeah, the only two alarms that aren't really in sync with strobes are the ones upstairs in my room and out in the hall. And that's just because the one in the hall is my first Gentex Commander 3, and that one's a lot older than the rest of these. It's a different type of, I don't want to say generation, but it's a different series of the Commander 3. So they're not exactly in sync, but that's why every single one of these is in sync, because they're all the same basically. If that makes any sense at all. And there's something I haven't done in a while, and that's re-alarming. So let's go ahead and re-alarm. Let's go ahead and review our alarms. So let's take a minute here, take a look at the strobes. Pardon the messy basement. Let's see if we can't get this to work here. It's not really showing up too well, but they are in sync. The strobes and the horns are in sync down here. Alright, let's go ahead and silence. Grab my keys. Reset the Simplex pull station. Alright, and we'll reset from the panel. So that's going to be the Christmas special, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Most likely going to put the Gentex Commander 3s back to Gentex Sync just so everything's still in sync, and so also we can still have audible silence. And I know with the code, audible silence is not part of the code anymore. In fact, it's illegal, but in some areas, but I don't care. Audible silence is awesome. Other people may say otherwise, and I don't really care. I hope you all have a happy holiday. Spend some great time with your friends and your family, because that's what Christmas is all about, is friends and family. Not always about presents and Santa. It's always about spending time with your friends and family and enjoying that time together. So, this is Matt with Storm Fan 96, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.